The course Business Ecosystem Strategy is really about the opportunity to learn how to strategize around the externality of the firm. So the opportunity really is to early detect disruptions, to early detect new strategies that are out there by other companies, to define new partnerships, to define new innovations and really integrate them into the strategy of the company. The course is structured around tools which we've designed out of research, which we found that they help companies and managers to really focus their attention and focus their thought process towards problems and solving problems. The course is designed for around a maximum of 20 participants. Mostly it's less than that, which we specifically do so that there's a lot of interaction between the participants as well. So we find that the real life problems, not only that the faculties bring from their experiences from working with companies, but as well the real life problems from the attendees themselves really bring a lot of value and wealth to the course. The course will be held here in the Institute for Manufacturing in the University of Cambridge, and it's an excellent place to exchange ideas and really get away from the normal buzz of the offices. The course will be taught by faculty from the University of Cambridge, and that is engaging with companies on a daily basis to really research these issues and find out more about them. So people will be taken on a journey throughout the day to really do hands-on exercises that help them to understand this externality of the company and this complexity that is going on around them.
This course, what it gives me the most significant take is that how it breaks down the complex issues around this business ecosystem into simplified, digestible chunks.
For this course specifically, we ask people to come through the door with a problem that they have in their company or with a business ecosystem that they really want to understand, so that throughout the days they can really work on this problem and engage with this problem. And therefore walk away as well with insights that they haven't really found out or thought about beforehand.